Jovenel Moïse's wife is Martine Moïse, who was the former First Lady of Haiti. She was born on June 5, 1974, in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and graduated from Quisqueya University with a degree in interpretation studies. She married Jovenel Moïse in 1996 and they had 3 children together. Martine Moïse was wounded in the same attack that killed her husband at their home in Pétionville on July 7, 2021. She survived and was airlifted to Miami for treatment. She returned to Haiti on July 17, 2021, and attended her husband's funeral on July 23. She was recently indicted by a judge investigating the assassination of her husband, along with ex-Prime Minister Claude Joseph and former police chief Lyon Charles, among others. She is accused of complicity and criminal association in the plot that led to her husband's death. Complicity and criminal association are legal terms that mean helping, encouraging, or soliciting another person to commit a crime. In other words, Martine Moïse is accused of being involved in the plan to kill her husband even if she did not directly participate in the assassination. This is a very serious accusation that could have legal and political consequences for her and Haiti. She has denied any involvement and claimed that she is a victim of a conspiracy. The judge who issued the indictment has not revealed the evidence or the motive behind his decision. The investigation is still ongoing and the truth is yet to be revealed. My opinion is that it is hard to understand the motive behind such a heinous crime. The judge investigating the assassination of Jovenel Moïse revealed that in the months prior to his death, he had taken a series of measures to fight against drug and arms traffickers. Some speculate that this might have angered some powerful interests who wanted him out of the way. Or maybe the plot was driven by political ambitions, as one of the suspects, Dr. Christian Emmanuel Sanon, allegedly wanted to become president. However, none of these theories have been confirmed by the authorities and the investigation is still ongoing. However, let's take a brief look at Claude Joseph, who was also indicted. After Moïse was assassinated on July 7, 2021, Prime Minister Claude Joseph declared himself the acting president and imposed a state of siege. However, Moïse had appointed a new Prime Minister, Ariel Henry, 2 days before his death, who claimed that he was the rightful leader. The international community has been divided over who to recognize as the legitimate authority in Haiti. The United States and the United Nations initially backed Joseph, but later urged him to hand over power to Henry, who had formed a consensus government with the opposition. On July 20, 2021, Joseph agreed to step down and allow Henry to assume the role of Prime Minister. My opinion is the truth may be more complex and elusive than we can imagine. Thanks for watching. I am Angie. Subscribe and like this video.